Guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is my PR Boxycharm. So this is the one that I get for PR. This is my gifted by Boxy box for January. All right, guys, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so what I see here, guys, right off the bat, is that I got the exact same variation that I got for the box that I paid for. So basically, if you guys are ever doubting that influencers get better boxes than people that pay for them, this is probably your confirmation that that's not necessarily true, because I got the exact same box for PR that I got for my regular box that I paid for. So it's kind of like a shame to go into this again, but I will, simply because I'm gonna be giving you guys the whole entire box for you. I'm gonna be giving the whole entire box away to you guys. So I will go into the products briefly so you guys can see what's in here, in case you haven't seen my Ipsy versus Boxycharm video, so you guys can see what's in here, and that way you guys can enter if you guys are interested. I think you guys are gonna love this box. It's great. It has a very high value and it has great products in it. So I'm hoping that you guys will love it. Now the rules are gonna be very simple. I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat, you just need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Be subscribed to YouTube, and the next thing that I really want you guys to do is to make sure that your subscriptions are public, because I will check if you are subscribed so I can send you this box. If I can't find you on my subscriptions list, that means your subscriptions are private and I will not be able to send this to you guys. This is international. And the only other thing I want you to do, so I know you guys are entering and I know who you are, because if you just like the video and stuff like that, I don't know who you are. You guys have to leave me a comment down below, just any comment that you want, and I will consider you entering for the giveaway. Unless you guys want to let me know that you're not going to participate and you're just commenting, that's perfectly fine. But if you just leave me a comment, then I'll consider you as a participant for the giveaway. Make sure you leave me a comment, because if not, I am not going to be able to pick you guys. That way I know you guys are entering. And make sure you're subscribed and make sure the subscriptions are public. That's pretty much it, guys. That's it. It's as simple as that. It can't get any simpler. All right, my love. So first item in this box is retailed at $34, and this is an eyeshadow palette, guys. This is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. I have mine here from my other box so I can show you what it looks like, so I don't have to open yours up. This is it right here. It's very, very beautiful with these gorgeous colors, olivey tones, very beautiful. So that's the palette that comes in the box. You also get a Pharmacy oil-free moisturizer, and this retails at $38. You guys know Pharmacy is a great brand. I'm gonna show you mine so you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay. The next product in here is retailed at $90, guys, and this is this Avant Micellar Water. It says it removes makeup without even having to scrub. I haven't tried mine yet, but I will soon, and I'm hoping that it does. But at $90, guys, can't get any better than that. And then the last two products that you would be receiving would be a Seraphine Botanicals Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask and the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm. Okay, this is retailed at $25 and this is retailed at $18. I'm gonna show you mine right now. This is the lip gloss. Very, very beautiful. I had a swatch before. And then this is the lip mask. And I can tell you their lip masks are amazing, because I got one a couple months back from either Ipsy or Boxy, I can't remember. And it literally became my favorite. I even had it, I believe, in my 2020 Best of Beauty, I think. I can't remember, but I think. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So guys, this is a great box. If you guys want to enter, I will repeat the rules one more time. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure your subscriptions are public. This is an international giveaway, so anybody around the world can enter. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below, whatever you want to say, and we'll consider you as entering this giveaway. And if you're not gonna participate and you're gonna leave a comment regardless, you can let me know that you're not participating so I don't consider you. But if you are, just leave a comment down below and I will consider your participation. All right, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. I love you guys and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.